Hello everyone, in this video we'll be reviewing Pepcid, which is also known as Famotidine. Famotidine is used to treat GERD, which is also known as heartburn. It's classified as a histamine H2 blocker. It's usually taken for up to 2 weeks. If heartburn does consist, then make sure to contact your doctor. Side effects include dry mouth, dizziness, and fatigue. If you're waking up from heartburn, or if you experience heartburn late at night, then it's best to take it before bed to help ease that nighttime heartburn and help you sleep. When taking famotidine, it's best not to take it with any alcohol. When taking famotidine, you could be a little constipated. Therefore, if you are constipated, just drink a lot of water. Due to that constipation, it is also recommended for you to eat bland foods to help with that constipation or upset stomach. If you do get dry mouth from famotidine, some treatments for this could be chewing on some gum, some mouthwash, or chewing on ice. Contact your provider or call 911 if you experience any of the side effects from famotidine, which include allergic reaction, difficulty breathing, swelling around the eyes, depression, irregular heartbeat, fever, or vomiting. And that's everything you need to know when taking famotidine, also known as Pepcid. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.